Today I'm joined by not just a visionary in education, but someone who holds a very special place in my life. Miss Varsha Agarwala, partner in Synergy Educations. So Synergy Education has come a long way, growing from just 2 rooms to a two-floor institute. Can you take us through this journey and share what key factors were behind this remarkable expansion?
Honestly, जब सिनर्जी स्टार्ट हुआ था इट वॉज जस्ट अ रैंडम इंस्टा स्टोरी जो एक कॉमन फ्रेंड के थ्रू मैंने और गौतम ने देखा था. वी आर बोथ लुकिंग फॉर द सेम थिंग, सो इट जस्ट स्टार्टेड एज अ फ्लूक, यू कैन से. वी आर बोथ पैशनेट अबाउट आवर सब्जेक्ट. नथिंग ऐसा जितना कुछ सीरियस थॉट या कुछ नहीं था. वी जस्ट स्टार्टेड सिनर्जी एंड वी जस्ट वेंट विद द फ्लो. जैसे जैसे स्टूडेंट्स आए, उनकी नीड क्या है, उनको कैसे समझ आ रहा है इन आवर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स, एंड ग्रेजुअली जस्ट लर्निंग विद द स्टूडेंट्स. वो जो हमें सिखाते गए, रिटर्न में हम उन्हें सिखाते गए, एंड वी जस्ट ग्रे. Because it's always been a priority कि no matter what happens, our students should always be happy when they leave our room. And that's always been our motto which has helped us to grow until today. कि वो आ रहे हैं हमसे सीखने के लिए, उनको जिस तरीके से समझ आए, जितना अच्छे से हम सिखा सके, that is what we focus on. So whether it's my subject or his subject, we make sure that we can give them the concepts, we make sure that they know it, not just we. And when you're writing the exams, they're confident about it. Because as we say, you're a synology student, you should reflect the attitude.
Yeah, so when you say this, I can relate it myself because I have done the same in my higher secondary as well.
So I think you have the synergy attitude.
I can see that in me right now. Yeah. But apart from this, like keeping the Synergy Foundation aside, you yourself have a very strong academic foundation with both BSc and MSc in mathematics. You've always had a passion for teaching. Can you share how your qualifications and deep understanding of math has shaped Synergy's approach towards education and made you such a respected figure in this field?
I'm not sure respected and such a big figure, but if I talk about as a subject maths, ऑनेस्टली मैं अपनी आइडेंटिटी मैथ्स के अलावा सोच ही नहीं सकती. लाइक व्हेन इट कम्स टू मी, द ओनली थिंग दैट आई कैन बी श्योर ऑफ इज मैथ्स एंड सिनर्जी ऑब्वियसली. सो whatever identity I got as a student, it was because of this subject. I was known only because of this subject, that okay, she's the one who used to top in the exams or one of the toppers in the mathematics subject. And that has always been very close to my heart, the subject. And when I, like, ऐसा नहीं था कि I wasn't sure about if I want to teach maths or not. It was always been crystal clear that I want to teach this subject because this is what I love. This subject is my love. When I started teaching maths, I realized कि जितना मुझे पसंद है, it's not the same always. So the most difficult part when teaching maths, I realized, is how to make the students fall in love with it and how to make sure that they're confident with my subject. So that was very difficult in the initial part of my teaching career, that I need to make sure that their basics are good, because right now it's a huge problem that we face. Ki basics are not that, the fundamentals are not that good. So that was a huge problem that I felt in my teaching career. A student has come to me क्योंकि उसको नहीं आता है या उसको और जानना है. So it's मेरी ड्यूटी बनती है, इट्स माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू मेक श्योर दैट ऐसा नहीं कि 12 का फीस दिया तो खाली वो पढ़ा ना. इट्स माई ड्यूटी टू मेक श्योर दैट ही फील्स कॉन्फिडेंट विद माई सब्जेक्ट. सो दैट हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन माई गोल, दैट टू मेक पीपल फॉल इन लव विद मैथ्स. उतना तो नहीं, बट आई होप दैट आई अचीव टू सम एक्सटेंड, एंड व्हेन दे आर राइटिंग देयर पेपर और व्हेन दे स्टेप आउट इन द वर्ल्ड, दैट दे आर नो लॉन्गर स्केयर्ड विथ माई सब्जेक्ट. बिकॉज मेरा सब्जेक्ट डिमांड करता है प्रैक्टिस. माई सब्जेक्ट डिमांड्स टाइम, इट डिमांड्स अटेंशन, नॉट जस्ट टू द स्टूडेंट्स और नॉट जस्ट द टीचर्स. मुझे भी पूरा अटेंशन देना पड़ेगा बच्चों पे, एंड द स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो हैज़ टू गिव टाइम टू माई सब्जेक्ट. बिकॉज मैथ्स डिमांड्स योर टाइम, इट डिमांड्स प्रैक्टिस. जितना रगड़ोगे उतना ज़्यादा असर दिखेगा, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट आई एम नोन फॉर ऑल्सो. multiple revisions, long classes, and I'm always the one who takes extra classes in the beginning, later at the end. क्योंकि end में उतना प्रेशर नहीं कर सकते for my subject. So make sure that I guess जितना प्रैक्टिस हम करवा सके बच्चों से, जो मैंने अपने टाइम पे किया, that I still follow.
Yeah, I still remember craving for it in the morning classes.
Yeah, I've always been the one key in the initial days. Like I started my session when we were shooting. I started my session today. So आज ही we were talking कि Sundays को let's keep an extra class. सर कि the session has just started. मैंने कहा अभी सब सो रहे हैं. अभी मैं जाग सकती हूँ. आई कैन गिव द टाइम एंड द कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करने के लिए जो टाइम मेरे सब्जेक्ट को चाहिए वो मुझे शुरू से देना पड़ेगा. एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई गेस वर्क्स फॉर मी एंड माई सब्जेक्ट.
Makes sense. Makes all sense. All right. So, also, like apart from maths, you have seen education also has gone through so many changes over the years with so many curriculum shifts, exam pattern changes, evolving fears around the subject as you already discussed. So, how have you seen the students' mindset shift, and how does Synergy address those changes?
If I talk about the पैटर्न वाला चेंजेस दैट्स मोर फॉर अस देन द स्टूडेंट, क्योंकि जो स्टूडेंट लिखने आता है वो तो उसी टाइम लिख रहा है. सो फॉर देम इट्स नॉट दैट मच ऑफ अ चेंज बट मोर फॉर अस हाउ टू शेप इट अप. जैसे मेरे को याद है कोविड के पहले अप्लाइड मैथ्स नहीं था. सो द शिफ्ट फ्रॉम कोर टू अप्लाइड मैथ्स वाज अ ह्यूज शिफ्ट. पीपल वेरंट रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट इट बट लेटर ऑन दे डिड. देन द शिफ्ट ऑफ हैविंग एमसीक्यूज, असर्शन, रीजनिंग्स और ये सारे. सो ये चेंजेस मोर डिपेंड्स ऑन द टीचर्स मोर रादर देन द स्टूडेंट्स बिकॉज वो तो उसी ईयर लिख रहे हैं. बट if I say about the other challenges, I say in the mindset of the students, I would definitely say. जैसे if I say for you, आप लोगों को अगर हम कुछ बोल देते थे तो it was like कि okay, mama said, Gautam has said, तो it's that.
Yeah.
It's slowly, I guess, with the age gap also, I think it is changing, but the students' mindset has changed. क्योंकि marks उतना नहीं, हर जगह entrance है तो they feel कि क्यों ही marks लाना है and all. तो कुछ थोड़ा उन्हें बहुत motivate करना पड़ता, more to study. आजकल खाली अच्छे से पढ़ो नहीं है, पहले तो पढ़ो एंड देन अनदर लीप ऑफ इट कि अच्छे से पढ़ो. वी हैव टू मेक देम कम टू द रूम. दैट इज एन एडिशनल थिंग दैट वी हैव टू डू. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द चेंजिंग डायनामिक्स इन द एजुकेशन सिस्टम, आई गेस when we came into the market, I guess there's one positive thing that I can look around myself is ज़्यादा young teachers are market में आ रहे हैं. People, I guess, are not feared of becoming teachers. Hopefully, more looking at us and more जो भी और नए जो young teachers आ रहे हैं.
So I have also seen that change when the development in the sense of coaching institutes and all these after you started.
Yeah, we see more young people now in the crowd. और उसकी वजह से कि हमारा interaction जो students के साथ है that becomes a little more.
So, as a female co-owner of Synergy Education, you're one of the few women entrepreneurs leading an education institute. Like, we've seen a lot of teachers here, obviously, we're seeing a lot of female teachers, but we know very few of them who are leading an educational institute and part of it. What specific challenges have you faced in this role, and how have you dealt with them, especially in business, in society, both?
Now, if I say in today's world, in today's day, it's way better. Very good. Like आज हम बहुत सारे ऐसे फीमेल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को देखते हैं, वो आर लीडिंग द मार्केट, आई विल से, वो आर पेविंग द वे फॉर द यंगर जनरेशंस. बट if I talk about in that time, it was yes difficult. People did not take me seriously. I mean, I guess it has happened in front of my badge itself that someone came for a software something installation and they said that can you call someone? I said I'm the person. So he said कि no, I just want to talk to the owner and all. I don't want to talk to you. I want someone with an authority. I said I am the owner. You can treat me as an owner. Like yes, I have the authority, and it was very difficult for them to understand that at that time in the initial years of my.
I might have felt bad as well, like apart.
I was like, yeah, I did felt bad, but I guess with time, उस time पे लगा. But I guess as I grow, as even I have grown, I have got attached to my personality, how to convey myself, how to put myself in front of people. तो अब जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ रहे हैं वो मेरे लिए भी ठीक हो रहा है. Like for instances, if I say even after giving tremendous result, like I had in the COVID year, term 1, term 2 जब था, तो I had fabulous result. I had like hundreds का ऐसे rainfall हुआ था हम लोग के institute में, and I had around 1200s, and each year I produced hundreds every single year. Like so, still I did not get the admissions or the recognition that I guess normally other person would have got. मेरे को बहुत struggle हुई उस time पे, like even after producing such great results and putting so much of my hard work and time in the batches, in my students' hard work or time पे, still I did not get the recognition या वो जो results मैं deliver सोचती, not in terms of marks, but in terms of acceptance या in terms of mark, society knowing me, वो नहीं मिला मुझे. So now I can say in the past 1 or 2 years that is slowly मतलब बेटर हुआ है. नाउ आई एम द, आई गेस, आर द लीडिंग नंबर्स इन मैथ्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ एनी इंडिविजुअल पर्सन, इफ आई कैन से सो. आई होप. तो
अगर वही जो आपने बोला कि अगर कोई मेल टीचर होता आपकी जगह, या फिर जो जेंडर बायसेस की आपने बात की, तो कंपैरेटिवली हो सकता है इजी होता है, या फिर वो रिकग्निशन.
maybe I think so. It took me a lot of time, but I guess now it's gone way better. हम हमेशा अपने भाइयों को या even for male students we ask कि how you're gonna run the house, how you're gonna earn. ये question suddenly after 12 or graduation ये start होने लग जाता है उनके मन. But that is still not that much in the girl. And ये I'm very thankful my mom put it. And I always wanted a platform to share this, and I'm so thankful for that also. कि from the very beginning, my mom has always been very clear with one thing कि I don't know what you want to do after marriage or something. से ये question हमेशा एक लड़की के life के लिए parents उठाएंगे, लेकिन you should be able to earn for yourself. Whether you want to do it or not, that's your call. But you should be capable enough कि आप जो lifestyle expect करते हो वो आप खुद own कर सको. And this is something has always been deep rooted in me. And the only reason why I'm such focused about my career and I think about every time I'm earning or I'm spending is only because of my mom. And the same thing I tell my students also. Whenever I'm interacting with the girls, I've always कि आपको कोई और पूछे नहीं पूछे, मैं ज़रूर पूछना चाहूँगी कि after 12 what will you do? How will you earn? How will you spend on the lifestyle that you want to live? This is a question that I think every girl has to ask.
Right now, when you just said this, I again
You ask yourself.
because I again got those goosebumps, and I still remember the time when you asked me this, and not just very casually. Like a lot of people ask us, like to young people, कि अच्छा क्या करना है इसके बाद, या फिर what are your plans ahead, college plans क्या है. But nobody really asked me this question. So Vidhi, you live a very luxurious lifestyle, but like,
Can you afford it?
can you afford it? And not and straight up on a ways, can you afford it? Like, do you see yourself affording it in the long run? And that had given me goosebumps back then and now as well. कि अभी जो आपने same चीज बोली है, still
It's the girls that they have to ask this question to themselves and not just put the pressure on the society कि हमें पूछो. क्यों भाई, खुद पूछो. So once the girls start asking, and I think they are started in that, I think we'll be fine.
that is so good. Were there any specific moments that made you feel very overwhelmed, that okay, this felt like the peak of your career, that wow, I've actually come a very long way? Or also, apart from this, any specific moments in your journey when you realize that, oh, I need to buckle up now because things are not going as I planned them to be? Like, I would want you to answer both.
I guess the first one, if I say, as I said, in my family. Like initially when I started teaching, they just felt कि ठीक है, थोड़े दिन मन है, कर लेंगे, खुश हो जाएंगे, and then it will be fine. They did not think that it is my profession. They did not consider it. But slowly and gradually, मुझे अभी भी याद है, एक बार ऐसा था कि मेरे दादू अपने फ्रेंड ग्रुप में बैठे हुए थे, and एक उनके जो फ्रेंड उन्होंने बोले कि मेरी पोती तो तेरी था के पोती हूँ पढ़ता. So I was like कि what? And he came back home and he said कि I met your student. Like one of my friend's granddaughter studies from you, and he said you're a great teacher and all. And he was so happy about it. Before then that I've never seen him talking much. He's a very reserved person. But that day when I said कि he said me sabhi ke beech mein कि like yeah, his granddaughter is studying from my granddaughter, and I felt so good that Varsha का नाम ऐसे हमारे बीच में आया, and like that was something that I still remember. And certain calls, like when वो जो एक satisfaction call होता है students का before the results, like result पे तो सभी करते हैं, लेकिन एग्जाम से निकलने के बाद जो वो बच्चों का कॉल आता है कि वाओ मैं मज़ा आया पेपर देख के, वो जो एक satisfaction call होता है ना, that is what helps us to go through the entire year, I guess. But as you say, buckle up वाला जो चीज़ था, so there have been days जब like for example आप इतने efforts डालते हो and there have been rumors about you that you don't complete the syllabus or something in the recent also कि आप syllabus कराते या आप time नहीं देते या कोई बच्चा का exam नहीं हुआ है ठीक से and they feel bad or something. So that is the time when you feel कि क्या हमने कुछ ऐसा किया है या हम कुछ और कर सकते थे, and you feel you need certain time to काश उस बच्चे का भी अच्छा हो जाता. So those are the moment you really feel bad कि यार students पूरे साल इतना मेहनत करते हैं, and then when the time of showing that confidence actually comes and for some reason they can't do it. So that time it's a moment of frustration. You can't do anything about it because we know कि हमने अपना सब कुछ डाला है, बच्चों ने भी सब कुछ डाला है, but it's just hard luck.
Yeah. And yeah,
So
get
that
to blame on yourself.
हाँ मतलब it's always difficult because आप अगर हमें कभी तक हमारे मुंह से हमेशा निकलता है हमारे बच्चे. It has always been like it's you all are our kids. So as long as you're in our institution, we are responsible for you. So when we see their happy faces at the end of the exam, this is what we live for.
So, in a two-tier city of like Guwahati, where teachers are often seen as public figures, and you become a subject of public opinion. Being in the public eye means being subject to scrutiny. How do you deal with it, particularly when people judge you on the basis of your job, with your personal life, especially when those rumors may affect your reputation?
See, public figure वाला चीज जो मैं बोलूँगी, I guess it's true. We don't go out as much as we would like to, even if you're going out with a family, because we are spending 14 hours, 12 hours always in the institute with the students, with other faculties and everything. And when we take a zone out, ki bhai, now you want a personal space or something, like there are days when you feel ki no, we don't have that. Because if you are going to a party, we see the students and it becomes a little difficult. If you are going for clubbing, then you see the same crowd there and you say ki no, we can't do anything here. Like, you can't even dance or hurt out. Like, you see the students are watching, what will they think? You cannot be the strict teacher again in that room after dancing like mad in a club. Then again, like for the parents also, we cannot, like when they see us in the public figure, their dresses are the meters, and it's really nice to meet them. But it's always like someone is watching us, even if we may not know them, but people do know them. So we are always very poised and very in manner when we are sitting in a public figure, because that always has to be a case with us.
Yeah, and but there's just one thing which I personally would want to share. When we used to be very small, then we used to be very excited on meeting a teacher. When like if I'm going to a supermarket and I meet a teacher, I'd be very excited and be telling her mom, ki, "Oh, mom, she's my teacher from school. I would go and meet her." But kids these days are more scared than excited. Like
I won't say the scared part in our case. Like जब हमारे कोई भी स्टूडेंट लाइक यू बीन देयर, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स जब इंस्टीट्यूट में होते हैं फॉर व्हेन इट लाइक 11 में इतना शॉर्ट स्पैन होता है कि ऑलरेडी इतना रश्ड होता है. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू 12 आफ्टर नवंबर डिसम्बर, द क्लास 12 स्टूडेंट्स एंड 11 एग्जाम्स दे बिकम आवर लाइफ. लाइक फॉर आई guess 3.5 months, our parents have gotten used to the fact that they can't see us. Our relatives have gotten used to the fact that they cannot invite us to anywhere and we are never going to show up. Because those 3.5 months completely belongs to our students. So we see them for 12-16 hours a day. तो वो जो स्टूडेंट्स है जो अभी हमसे पढ़ रहे हैं, our sole priority goes to them. लेकिन जो पास आउट हो जाते हैं, like when they come to meet us and they tell us that we are doing our masters from here, we got admission here, we got a job or articleship there, we feel really happy when they call us, when they come to meet us, or we see them or encounter them in a public place. It's an extremely sweet feeling, and we really want our kids and our like students to do that. But on the other hand, it may like किसी को rudeness लग सकता है, या people may feel कि we are being attitude और हम खाली fake करते हैं the love and affection. It's not that. अब जब कोई 12 अभी था, हम उनको इतना टाइम दे रहे हैं उनके, क्योंकि वो हमारे साथ इतना टाइम स्पेंड करे, so automatically the love and the warmth that they deserve from that, because they are so much in pressure. But when they are passed out, so it cannot be from our end much. When they call us, we'll always receive the call or we'll give a call back. They text us, we'll always congratulate on their winnings and be there when there is a hardship. But I don't think we can give them as much time as a current 12 or 11 student can have. That's not possible from our end, honestly. But whenever they text us from some front, we're really happy to meet them.
They'll always be a priority.
Any day, like जो हमारे present institute में है, not because of any other reason, they deserve that. Like, we have been really honest with our work. So whatever we have, we put everything onto them, because they deserve nothing but the best.
Makes sense. Also, one more question which I feel a lot of people would want to know, that you and your partner not only co-founded Synergy but also built a life and a family together. So yeah, the happiness can be seen in the blush. How did the dynamics of being business partners first evolve into a personal relationship? And what challenges did you face in balancing both aspects of a partnership?
Since you've asked this question, I would really want to clarify one thing. We weren't dating when we started Synergy. Let me make it very clear. We were complete strangers when we started Synergy. No one believes that. And you won't believe, for the first year, we were only on a rent sharing basis. We would meet on first, we'll share the rent, and not even a courtesy smile. आई एम टेलिंग यू नॉट इवन अ कर्टेसी स्माइल कि भाई बंदा जानता है मुझे. Like even we know each other, we won't even pass a smile. No one believes us. They said that we were already together when we started Synergy, but that wasn't actually. Like you said, just the process that we grew fond of each other. That so you're always business partners first, and then the dynamic sort like it's just destiny. I would say we were meant to be together. Synergy was meant to happen. So I just feel that it just came. मतलब भगवान का ही था जो किया हुआ था. Yeah, it was synergy between us that made this institute.
Synergy between the partners.
Any day.
It happened.
Any day. So I guess when I got married, it was we wanted to marry in December. The dates changed, and we married in Feb, the peak exam season. So I still remember. I don't think even this the girls don't usually expect. I took 1 week gap, pre-post, during everything milake. And it was only possible because of both the families. They legit understands that what a teacher. Because I will be very honest, जब हम किसी भी लोगों को बोलते हैं कि यार आई डोंट हैव द टाइम इन दिस फेस्टिवल या हमारी एनिवर्सरीज में हम पार्टी क्यों नहीं दे सकते बिकॉज हमारा एनिवर्सरी बर्थडे सब एग्जाम में आता है. We can't meet our friends, we can't go out, and it's very difficult for them to understand because they're not in the same profession. But when our family sees us, they know in and out. Like for 3 months, they don't see us. So party करना तो बहुत ही दूर है. So they know us that what our exam time में क्या हमारे बच्चे हमसे deserve करते हैं, क्या expect करते हैं और हम अपनी family से क्या चाहते हैं. Let's just give us the space. Let us work. And I guess both the families, my family earlier and Gautam's family when I was getting married to, they understood that part so well. And it was, see, initial challenges सब जगह होते हैं, but I did not feel this difficulty. The transition in this professional front, I would say I was very blessed, touchwood, was very smooth. Because I cannot say that a girl takes only 1 week gap, pre-post Malaki, I've never seen. And for me, it was very easy to do. Because exam time, like my in-laws' house, they knew. And like after a few days, they were like, exam hai, bhag jao. And legit, just after getting married, I was gone for the entire day, morning 7 to 9. That's it. I was supposed to come home. Mom used to make me sit and that was khana khao, so jao. And I don't think that I could have a better family in both respects. And it was only possible for them. We can teach so much only because of our family. So I won't say there are well ki hardships nahi the. You put yourself in so much of extra and being a girl. I would say हम खुद पे इतना बर्डन डाल देते हैं कि भाई आई हैव टू बी परफेक्ट इन एवरी रिस्पेक्ट, हमें सब अच्छा करना है. उसके चक्कर में मैंने भी बहुत कांड किए, सब किए, बैलेंसिंग एवरीथिंग आउट कि कहाँ कितना टाइम दिया जा सकता है. बट आई गेस अचूर द फैमिली सपोर्ट मेड मी रियलाइज दैट आई नीड टू ईज डाउन अ लिटिल.
Yeah, I'm sure for a job that demands you so much, you need that support from your family. Otherwise, you'll not be able to function.
No, at all. Like हम जो बोलते हैं कि हम इतना पढ़ा पाते हैं, हम इतना करा पाते हैं, it won't be possible if our parents would not have been supported. And even for the students' parents, I would say. Easy नहीं है बच्चे को सुबह भेज देना बिना नाश्ता करे, बोले कि जाओ पूरे दिन दिखो ही मत. That is what our students are, because Synergy becomes a second home. They are there for 10 hours, 12 hours, and not because we are taking classes. They feel the warmth and comfortness here, I would say. वो इतने comfortable होते हैं यहाँ पे कि even though they may not be classes, they want to sit in a room and just study because they get that space. So सिर्फ हमारे लिए नहीं, I would say for 3 months, all our class 12 parents, heads off to them कि उन पे इतना trust करते हैं. ये challenge like some of the ऐसी हम 400 बच्चे पढ़ा रहे हैं, हम 400 को खुश नहीं कर सकते. There will always be 15-20 students and their parents, I would say, जो हमसे खुश नहीं होंगे because of our methodology or whatever is the reason. So there are always things negative from their end, which they're entitled to be. There's nothing wrong with it. So we just make sure कि majority को खुश रख सके, majority हमसे satisfied हो. That is what we do. So with this process, वो चीज़ हम थोड़ा कम इफेक्ट करने देते, थोड़ा तो हो गई, लेकिन वो इग्नोरेंस थोड़ा कि देयर विल ऑलवेज बी समवन हु मे नॉट लाइक आवर मेथड्स, देयर विल ऑलवेज बी समवन हु मे नॉट ट्रस्ट आवर प्रोसेस एज मच एज द अदर्स टू. सो ये जो चीज़ है इसको थोड़ा आई वोंट से इग्नोर, बट थोड़ा कम इफेक्ट कर पाई, ये हम अभी भी सीख रहे हैं. और इससे
दिस इज वन थिंग जो आपने ये जो चीज़ मेंशन की कि 12-12 घंटे बैठते. Forget parents, even our friends used to not trust us and used to say that वो तो ये Synergy के बच्चे बहाने के बनाते हैं हमसे ना.
It's very difficult. See, only a Synergy can understand what Synergy is.
Yeah, definitely. I would.
There's atmosphere, and I always say, जो love is in the air, there's no love is in the air in fact. There is exam in the air. In Feb, there's no romance. There is just board exams fever all going out. So that environment, that vibe in the institute is crazy. We crave for that. Like वो में इतना motivation और pump up देता है when we see the kids early in the morning 6:30 outside our door banging कि you are late. They shouted at that we are late. So वो जो enthu बच्चे हमें देते हैं, this is only what keeps us going.
Are you sure they miss the studies or the hot chocolate beforehand?
Both I guess. देखिए आप इतने प्रेशर में भी बनाना क्यों चाहोगे बिकॉज वो सामने से इतना प्यार देते हैं आपको. सो एज आई से लाइक हमारे लिए सिनर्जी पहला घर है, बच्चों के लिए वो 3 महीने 4 महीने इट्स जस्ट लाइक एवरीथिंग इज कंटेन्ड ऑन दोस वर्ड्स.
That is so nice. So one thing for the students or young entrepreneurs listening to this podcast, what advice would you give to them as they embark their own journey? Like, you know, one thing which, one piece of guidance you wish you had received when you were back starting out.
I'm not sure I have reached to a zone where I should give advice to other entrepreneurs. But one thing that has worked for me is to be very clear about the path that you want to be on. जो अनसर्टेनिटी है वो सब तो रहेंगी, लेकिन अनश्योर जो अटेम्प्ट्स होते हैं वो नहीं होने चाहिए. यू शुड बी वेरी क्लियर अबाउट व्हाट यू वांट टू अचीव बिकॉज देन ओनली यू कैन हैव अ डेडिकेटेड एनर्जी फ्लो इन दैट डायरेक्शन. एंड सेकेंड इज ऑनेस्टी फॉर मी, ऑनेस्टी एंड डिसिप्लिन, जो आई गेस यू हैव टू हैव otherwise in any genre whatever you are doing. Honesty, discipline has to be the key if you want to succeed. And like यही चीज़ I will say कि जो हमने हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट में भी देखी है, and the reason behind having so much of female people around us I'll say, क्योंकि मुझे याद है गौतम हमेशा बोलते हैं कि when there are female people around you that brings in more discipline in you. So 90% of our population being female, so I guess वो इंस्टीट्यूट में वो डिसिप्लिन और वो सब आ गया. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट आई विल सी कि जो बाकी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स है उनमें भी होना चाहिए. सो इफ़ यू हैव डिसिप्लिन, इफ़ यू आर ऑनेस्ट अबाउट योर वर्क एंड यू आर श्योर अबाउट व्हाट you want to do, then I guess there is nothing stopping you.
In the end, we just have a little small present from our gifting partners, Blooming Bagicha, a plant from our side.
Much.
Please take care, as mentioned here.
Surely.
Yeah. Thank you so much for being a part of the show and being a guest tonight.
Thank you so much for having me. It was a lovely.
Same here, same.